this ink bucket planner. Now both the giveaway winners will get this ink bucket planner. Wow. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and as you have already read by the title, it's a giveaway video. So for this new year I thought I should do a new giveaway. So if you want to participate, the rules will be very simple. I will put that in the description bar for you guys, and also I'll mention in a couple of seconds. But first let me just tell you that I'll be picking two winners for this giveaway, and the giveaway winner will get this very beautiful ink bucket planner. Now both the winners will get this ink bucket planner. This is the undated one which I also use. So this color and the other color is the black one. So I buy that both the colors, and whoever win this giveaway will get this two planners. So all you have to do is watch my all the videos I will upload, and from the date this video is uploaded to the next month, the giveaway will continue. You can participate whenever you want. The rules are pretty simple. You have to be a subscriber of my channel and my other channel, which I'll link in the description bar below. Watch all my videos and also follow me on my Instagram, and in that videos I'll just give little bit of hints. You just have to comment that in comment section below, and I'll pick two giveaway winners. So be excited and do participate in the giveaway. And thank you so much guys for subscribing my channel who have already subscribed. So thank you so much, and for them I'm specially arranging this giveaway. So make sure you hit the like button and do participate in the giveaway.